Hey guys, welcome. Today we are making a healthy and a easy recipe with barley pearls and chickpea. Have a look at the ingredients. The main ingredient in this is chickpea and barley pearls. They are boiled separately and chickpea is toasted with black pepper and salt in olive oil, while barley I have just kept it as is, boiled in salt and used as is. We have curd, which is being used as a sauce in this recipe, which gives a little moisture to the entire dish. Mix veggies. It is very important to finely chop them. Use whatever you have available in your kitchen, from capsicum, carrots, tomatoes, onion. Just toss them in olive oil with black pepper and salt. Garnishing, you can have namkeen, pomegranate, green chili, coriander. You can also use cut onions, finely chopped of course. The most important part about this recipe is we are going to create it in layers, and it is important to do it in layers. The first layer is of chickpea, which gives it a base for the entire dish to rest upon, and the chickpea is just done in olive oil with black pepper and salt, so you don't have to do too much of olive oil in this, just 1 teaspoon for a bowl full. Add a layer of mixed veg. It is important to finely chop these mixed veggies, whatever you have available in your kitchen. And I have also sauteed them in olive oil with salt and black pepper. So you have to spread and make a very good layer of this so that your dish comes out really well. And it is almost like adding a layer on the pizza base of the veggies or the sauce. Now, third layer would be of barley pearls. Since barley pearls are very light and they add to a very distinct taste, so it is very important that you spread a good layer of barley pearls. Then add veggies again. This time we are going to use very little of it because barley is not too heavy. And once we are done with veggies, then we will be adding the curd. So you just spread curd just like the way you will do sauce on your pizza base. Not too much, just as much that it goes till the bottom of the dish. That's it. Add your garnishing. If you see, everything is being done in a way it is spread across the dish, not just at one point in the center. So since it's a layered dish, it needs to be had with spoon, and the spoon need to really dice the entire setup from top to bottom. And this is how you enjoy each and every ingredient with their distinct taste in a very flavorful manner. So if you look at the ingredients, it's all healthy, made in olive oil and with just 2 spices, black pepper and salt. If you want, you can add lemon also, but this is how it is, just perfect. Enjoy and stay healthy.